In this video, I'll show you how you can check which motherboard you have on your Windows PC. Now first up guys is you're gonna touch down here or press the Windows button and you're gonna search for system information. It's this right here, and when you go in here you basically can see everything about your PC. So from in here, if we want to check for the motherboard, we just check right here. The baseboard, manufacturer, product and version. Here you can see your motherboard, and also in here you can see many different things. If you want to check which version you're on, you can check your RAM. Also you can check your, what else can you check in here? You can check your processor, your BIOS version. You can basically check everything you want in here. But for the motherboard, you can see it right here. And that's basically how you do it on your PC, guys. It's super simple and super easy. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.